Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the move instruction. So, move instruction, it's very important in programming. So, we're gonna talk about that in this video. First of all, my name is Liman, and I am an electrical control engineer. And I'm gonna start these videos, tutorials I'm doing right now. Just for a basic programming, and after that I will make some very complicated programs in the future. So if you're ready, let's get started. So let's do this. We're gonna do W100. That's move, start move. So now we need a move instruction. You're gonna go instruction, you get it from the menu or from a ribbon. Move. And then what are you gonna move? I'm gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4 to D0. So this is a move instruction. This is a move. It's just a 16-bit register for D0. If you try something more than 16 digit, it will not be allowed. We will have an error if we try that. See that if we add, for example, 5 right here, 5. It's gonna give you an error because the move is just for 16 one word. It's 16-bit. So now let's move whatever we have over here. We move it to another register. We're gonna do this. Move. We're gonna move whatever we have in D0 to D2 to D1 or D2, doesn't matter. So now let's simulate that. It's gonna download to the controller. Sorry, it's taking a little bit longer. Come on. It's ready. It's gonna compile. There is no errors. And it's done. So if we turn this bit on, it will move 1, 2, 3, 4 to D0, and we move that whatever you have in that register D0, we're gonna move it to D1. You know, move instruction in programming, it's good because you do a lot of things with it. So now let's talk about move long. So we can go out of simulator first, and then we can do 0, 1.0, 1, and then we do move long. We get the instruction. It's move long. What are we gonna move? We're gonna move digit F to D10, and we're gonna do this the same way. We're gonna move whatever we have in D10, move long. Whatever we have in D10 to D12. Let's do that now. Simulate it. Working simulator. Now we simulate that. So I already talked about that one. Now we do move long. So if you move long, so if you see this is a 32 now, that's the first move is just for 16-bit. For move long is 32 bits, so it's gonna be 8. So because everyone has 4 bit, for F is 15. So as you can see, this is a move instruction. It is very simple, but it's very powerful in programming. I know most of the software has a move instruction. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, and hit notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.